I don't buy new cars, I don't buy brand names, I go to Goodwill for my clothes. I like to save money, I like to find bargains, it's the life I chose.
Well, how y'all doing, folks? It's PawPaw again. We're gonna demonstrate another little piece of equipment here that if you ain't got one and you need one, it's like, man, I wish I had such and such. And I'll bet you I'll go 3 or 4 years without using this piece of equipment I've got right here. But boy, when I need it, I need it. And let me show you what we're going to be doing. Here is part of a spindle on that lawnmower I'm working on. And you could take a hammer and a chisel and you could beat on that thing and you could get that bearing out. But doggone, why in the world would you want to do that if you can help it? The negative part about using a hammer or something is you don't always have control over how smooth something's going to go in or out, or straight or even. Well, let me just shut up and just demonstrate and let y'all watch. What we got here is a hydraulic press. And I want to press this bearing out of the housing. And I've got a big old heavy duty socket that fits that outside diameter just right. So we're gonna try to push this out. So I line these supports out here, give me room to get moved. Right here, watch right here. It's pushing it out. There we go. And the beauty part is nothing's beat up. Just pushed it right out of there. And then we'll just reverse the process and push the new one in.
Cause I like doing it cheap. Yeah, I like doing it cheap.